You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce those two words, some of the most confusing mispronounced words as well in English. So let's look at their pronunciations in English. If you want to learn more vocabulary, make sure to stay tuned. I'll link to a few interesting videos for you at the end of this one. Top word here is pronounced archive, or the Americans say it similarly. American pronunciation, archive. Archive. All right, stress on the first syllable. Archive. The bottom word is a bit confusing at first, but it's actually pretty straightforward once you know. Archaic. Stress on the K syllable. Yes, it's spelling C-H-A, but it's K, okay? Archaic. 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 So let's summarize, listen carefully again, and memorize those pronunciations. How to pronounce in English. Archive, stress on the first syllable, and archaic. Did you get this? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.